This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and your favorite Marine patient, Richard. Richard has now been coming in again this year again. He took off a little time, went on vacation, and traveled the world, and came back with us now, and come back this year from the VA, right?
Yes, sir.
VA referred you in here. And Richard just comes in now to keep things under control. He's already had cervical fusion surgery in his lower cervical spine, and they wanted to do surgery on his lumbar spine, but he made the right decision and came here first. So we're going to show you how we do that now, especially since we're doing this knee chest compilation. His knee chest adjustment is incredible every time. So let's have you close your eyes, Richard, and flex your head forward and backwards. And Gregory, you think I got some lines? Richard's got some really good lines. Your head's just still a little bit forward, Richard, so you're doing something, either a big pillow, or you're sleeping on your side still, or you're reading a lot, or you're on the computer a lot, or something.
All this forehead, doctor. Gravity pulls you that way, I guess.
Pulls you forward, huh? Okay, well, let's do our knee chest move on you first. There you go. Just kind of let that sink. Yep. Yes, sir. One more here. Yep, that's it. Good. Oh, that's a deep one, isn't it?
That's good.
Yes, sir. That's my favorite. Oh, I need one of those today myself. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Now, people keep still asking me, is it safe to do this spinal decompression if I've had discectomies or multiple discectomies or multiple herniated discs? Richard's had cervical fusion with instrumentation. He's got herniated disc in his cervical spine and lumbar spine. We've been doing this on you since day one, right?
Yes, sir.
And has it made you feel better?
This is the best thing going. This is better than the button on a shirt, I tell you.
Yeah.
It's handy.
There we go. Okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
That very first video we did, you said a line on there that people just love. It said something about better than bayonet and something.
Oh.
What was that?
I was pretty fouled up. I was
you were
down to one bullet and a broken bayonet.
Oh, that's right. That's what it was. That's how you came in, right?
Yes, sir.
And how would you say you are now in that analogy?
High speed, low drag.
There you go. You pretty much able to do anything you want to now, are you?
Yeah. It's
riding your Harley.
Other than the wife putting that list on me.
Well, that's all my fault too, right? Since you can do more.
It is. I was going to have you come in the garden one day, but couldn't get a hold of you.
Yeah. Good luck. I don't even do my own stuff, yard. Yep, that's staying even. You're looking good on that.
Yeah, I was damn near bedridden when I first come in here, Doc.
I remember. This was kind of your last straw, wasn't it?
It was.
Before you decided you were going to let them cut on you again?
Well, I was going to maybe try to find a witch doctor or something, but yeah, this was about it.
Well, I'm better than 99.9% of witch doctors, too. Yeah, go up a little higher. There we go. Yes, sir. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, that old sciatic nerve pain I had going down my left leg, down to my foot. I
Never had it anymore, do you?
Man.
That didn't bother you more, though, does it?
Not a bit. I haven't had it. Well, knock wood, it ain't flared up again, so.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Good. Let's turn you on your back. And this hadn't bothered your cervical spine fusion with instrumentation at all either, has it? You got increased mobility in there.
Oh, yeah. I move a lot better than I did.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, let's put your arms out to the sides. Yes, sir. Spread your wings. And, oh, hold on, you can't get out of here without me pulling your leg, you know.
One of my favorites here.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Gets in that hip.
Yep, all the way up. Let this one go in my hand here. There you go. Good. Okay, let's hit you face that way now. Whew. There we go. Super. That's it.
Yeah, I don't know if you'd help everybody as much as you've helped me, but this has been definitely a life-changing event.
Good.
Wished I'd have found you 10 years ago.
Yeah, that's what we hear most of the time. Usually we get people after they've already got herniated disc or had surgery already, so it's better to get started early on when you're not in pain than to wait until it gets so bad that you have to have surgery or you got a herniated disc. Okay, let's flex you forward and backwards. A lot of times, though, it's just ignorance of the subject. And also, most MDs don't refer to chiropractors. The VA's doing that more and more now, which is great. But before, that's kind of taboo, you remember?
Yeah. Well, I've been to other chiropractors, but they don't do this.
Right. Very good. So what final words of wisdom would you have for your fellow Marines and our YouTube audience?
You don't have to be in pain. I've been telling, I ought to get a sign and stand up in front of your office here and spin it and get people coming in, because I've been telling anybody that'll stop and listen, it's the best thing going, folks. If you can get down here, get down here.
Well, thank you very much. And we're very happy for you, and we appreciate your service to our country, and thank you for that again, as always.
Sir.
This is your Houston chiropractor and Richard coming to me from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.